are going to love the 2016 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, floor mats, rear defrost. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.